Lab.
Hi, welcome to Patch Lab. In this episode, I'm going to use the 4MS SMR as a sound source instead of a sound processor. So let's listen to how it sounds. In the previous patch, I used the SMR from 4MS with 4 different scales that I all changed with the pressure points over here over 4 steps. To make the 4MS Multiband Resonator a sound source, you can either leave the input disconnected and then the unit generates white noise, which you can shape into resonant sine-like waveforms when you go up with the resonance. Or one can use triggers in the input, which will result in bongo kind of sounds, which have a longer decay as you increase the resonance. I use the triggers in this patch. The Metropolis sets the pitch of the Dixie over here in a scale that matches the scale of the 4MS Multiband Resonator. The second row of pressure points modulates the B auxiliary input from Metropolis, which is set to the pitch pre-setting. This means every transposition is also quantized because the transposition happens before the quantization. The downbeat is fed into both branches units, which comes out on either of the 4 inputs in a random fashion. Those gates go into the attenuated voltage control inputs of the 4MS clock distributor, and the attenuation sets between which 2 values the voltage control is going to affect the clock division or the multiplication. This results in interesting, randomly varying rhythms. I've intentionally put some noise in the patch that occasionally shows up. This comes from the quantum rainbow from Steady State Fate. Finally, the reverb is provided by an Reverb for Make Noise and Soundhack. This was another video about the 4MS SMR to cover some more features and how to use it in a musical way. So now it's your turn, keep on patching.